What if I told you that one simple exercise could transform your body? Imagine feeling stronger, more powerful, and more confident. Today, we're diving into the world of squats and what happens when you do them every single day. Many people struggle with their fitness routines. They get bored, lose motivation, or don't see results. This is where consistent effort comes in. Doing squats daily can provide that push you need. But is that really all it takes? Let's find out. First, let's define what squatting is. A squat is a compound exercise that primarily targets your legs and glutes. It works multiple muscle groups, including your quadriceps, hamstrings, and calves. It's a fundamental movement that mimics actions we do daily, like sitting down and standing up. Now, let's break down the process of daily squatting. Start by choosing your squat type, bodyweight or weighted. Bodyweight squats are great for beginners. As you gain strength, you can add weights for increased resistance. Next, focus on your form. Stand with feet shoulder width apart. Keep your chest up and your gaze forward. Lower your body as if sitting in a chair. Ensure your knees don't go beyond your toes, and keep your back straight. Begin with 3 sets of 10 repetitions. Gradually increase the intensity. Add more reps or weights as you feel comfortable. Aim to push yourself but maintain proper form at all times. Incorporating variety is essential. Mix in different squat variations. Try sumo squats, jump squats, or pistol squats to keep it interesting. Engaging different muscles enhances the workout and prevents plateaus. Now, let's discuss the benefits of squatting every day. First and foremost, you'll see improved strength. Your legs will become more powerful, aiding in other physical activities. Whether you're running, jumping, or climbing stairs, squats will enhance your performance. You'll notice increased muscle definition. Regular squatting tones and sculpts your body. Those stubborn areas like the thighs and glutes will show visible change. Squats also boost core strength. Your abdominal muscles work hard to stabilize your body during the movement. A strong core is fundamental for balance and overall fitness. Another significant benefit is improved mobility and flexibility. Squats engage multiple joints and muscle groups. This regular movement can enhance your range of motion, making everyday tasks easier. And let's not forget about the calorie burn. While squats may not burn calories like cardio, they build muscle. And more muscle means a higher resting metabolic rate. Let's examine a relatable scenario. Imagine Jane, an office worker. She sits all day, feeling sluggish and weak. Following a daily squat routine changes everything. After a month, she notices more energy and strength. Climbing stairs becomes easier, and her confidence soars. As Jane continues, her friends notice the difference. They ask her how she transformed. Jane simply shares her secret: consistency and dedication to daily squats. This could be you. What if you dedicated yourself to doing squats every day for a month? The potential changes in strength, muscle tone, and confidence are within your reach. In summary, squats offer tremendous benefits when done consistently. Strengthen your legs and glutes, improve mobility, and enhance your core. Incorporate variety to keep things fresh and engaging. Daily squatting can lead to a transformation. You might feel stronger, look better, and gain more energy. So why not give it a try? Start today. Challenge yourself to do squats every single day. Track your progress and celebrate your accomplishments. Feel the difference in your body and mind. Embrace the journey and share your experience with others. Are you ready to take that step towards a stronger you? Let's squat it out together.